treat you like a goddess. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry, I don't treat you like you're perfect, like all little loyal subjects do. Sorry, I'm not made of sugar, mine not sweet enough for you. Is that why you always avoid me? That must be such an inconvenience to you. I'm just your problem. I'm just your problem. It's like I'm not even a person, am I? I'm just your problem. Well, I shouldn't have to justify what I do. I shouldn't have to prove anything to you. I'm sorry that I exist. I forgot that landed me on your blacklist. But I shouldn't have to be the one that makes up with you. So why do I